Welcome to Learn Tech. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the basics of Microsoft Word. We will talk about the Word interface and discuss how to create a new blank document, create a new document from a template, open an existing document, save a document, format text, cut, copy, and paste. I am going to use Microsoft Word 2016 in this video. However, you may use any version of Microsoft Word since they are relatively similar in terms of interface and features. So let's get started. Microsoft Word is a word processing software that allows you to create a variety of documents, including letters, resumes, and many more. To start, follow these steps. Click on the Start button and select Microsoft Word 2016 from the list. To create a new document, select Blank Document. Before we continue with our document, let us first familiarize ourselves with the Word interface. First, let's talk about the ribbon. It is a set of toolbars at the top of the window in any Office programs. The ribbon contains multiple tabs that groups together related commands for formatting and designing Word documents. The Quick Access toolbar allows you to access common commands. By default, it shows the Save, Undo, and Redo commands, but you can add other commands depending on your needs. To add commands to the Quick Access toolbar, click the drop-down arrow to the right of the Quick Access toolbar. Select the command you want to add from the menu. That command will then be added to the Quick Access toolbar. Word files are called documents. When you start a project, you'll need to create a new document which can either be blank or from a template. When beginning a new project in Word, you'll often want to start with a new blank document. A template is a pre-designed document you can use to create a new document quickly. Templates often include custom formatting and designs to save your time and effort when starting a new project. For example, search for a resume template. When you find something you like, select the template, then click Create to use it. A new document will appear with the selected template. To open an existing document, click Open, select this PC, then click Browse. The Open dialog box will appear. Locate and select your document, then click Open. The selected document will appear. To save a document, locate and select the Save command on the Quick Access toolbar, or choose Save as if you're saving the file for the first time. Choose where to save the file and give it a file name. Click Browse to select a location on your computer. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the location where you want to save the document. Enter a file name for the document, then click Save. The document will be saved. You can click the Save command again to save your changes as you modify the document. You can also access the Save command by pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard. In Word, you have several options for text formatting, including font, size, and color. You can also adjust the alignment of the text to change how it appears on the page. But before you apply any formatting to the text, you need to select or highlight the text first. It can be a word, a line, a paragraph, or entire Word document. Here are some pro tips for you. To select a word, you can double-click on the word. To select a line, you can move the mouse pointer to the left of the line you wish to select until the mouse pointer changes from an I-beam to an arrow pointing upwards and to the right. Click once with the mouse button. To select a paragraph, you can move the mouse pointer to the left of the paragraph you wish to select until the mouse pointer changes from an I-beam to an arrow pointing upwards and to the right. Double-click with the left mouse button. To select the entire document, go to the ribbon menu, choose Home, Select, then select All. Or press Ctrl-A. Word allows cut, copy, and paste in any part of your document. First, select the part of the text you want to cut or copy and click on the Home tab. Select Cut or Copy from the options. Now place the cursor in the target position. The target position is the position in the document where the text needs to be copied or moved. Now select Paste from the Home tab. And that's all for today. See you again on my next video.